Okay, real quick demo on how to color the eyelids with eye makeup. If you're like me and you're not an expert with eye makeup, just go out and get yourself one of these 4-color palettes. They usually have a color for the lid and a color for the crease. And they usually have on the back of these, they usually have some instructions even to show where the colors go. So let's do this really quickly. This is kind of a shimmery purpley color, so we'll load this little applicator up with the color and just start rubbing it on. And you'll have to rub on it for a little while to get it fully covered. This little applicator is wearing out, so it's kind of messed up, but it's working. It'll take a minute or so to get it fully, get the color on there evenly, but you just keep rubbing it. Just get it down into that, clear down to the lash mount there, and just rub it around until it's nice and even. Not too bad. It's kind of a nice shimmer to it. Now if you want to get fancy, you can use the darker color. And then go around and give the edges a little shading. Trying to keep this thing in the camera view here. Not easy. Anyway, and that gives it a little bit of shading. Maybe you want to go back with a little bit of the color again, just sort of blend it in. The nice thing about this is you can use the same eye makeup on your doll. So instead of just having to go with paint, you can use whatever makeup you choose on both the eyelid and the doll. Okay, next step is to install the eyelashes. And this is how it came out. I think that looks nice. So I use Kiss lashes, and they come with a adhesive already on them. So what I usually do is just take one off, and just stick it on with the adhesive that's already got on it. This is not easy to do on camera, but do the best I can here. You just need to make sure that the lashes are down on the lash mount and back against the lid. Just use my thumbnail to push it on like that. That easy. And what I do is use this Duraclear matte varnish. You can also use clear lash adhesive if you want, but this is just what I do. Squirt it all out. And you can use a small art brush or a toothpick, and just put some on over the lash. Not doing this very good on camera, but anyway, you'll get the message, get the point here, I think. Maybe the brush is a little better for doing this, I don't know. Take a little of the excess off here. And again, this is milky when it goes on, and it'll dry completely clear. And that's how easy that is.